We're here with Hydel High School assistant coach, Coach Bob. First of all, a resounding performance today. Walk me through today's game and your team's performance.
Well, we played a overall decent game. Could have been much better in our assessment, but considering the conditions, I think my boys performed well enough, and we come again for the next match.
Scoring 10 goals in any Manning Cup game is a big accomplishment. How do you keep them grounded after setting aside a team so easily?
I mean, we did expect to come here and win already. That's the mentality we set in the side, a winning mentality. So, despite dropping 10-0, we're more focusing on the performance,
And we see some standout talents, Sabrine and Barrett and Forbes and the young Allen being introduced. What do you have to say about this group of boys this season?
Well, I can say it's a very talented set of group. These boys, we've been working very hard with them, and we're glad to see the dividends paying off right now.
All right. How can Hydel or how will Hydel build off this performance today?
So most definitely we'll assess this game, see what we can improve on, despite the scoreline, and you'll see more attractive attacking football from Hydel.
All right. Thank you so much, Coach.
No problem.